Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Emem back with another video. So for my everyday makeup routine, I start with my primer. I use the Prime Time foundation primer from Bare Minerals to prime my face, and I put my primer all over my face as you can see. And then I go straight into doing my eyebrows. I use a Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil, and as you can see, I brush out my eyebrows first, and then for my eyebrows I just fill in all the gaps because my eyebrows are kind of thick, and so I just fill in the gaps that I have, and then I shape them by drawing a line under my eyebrow and on top of my eyebrows, and basically just shaping them to be the shape that I want. And then I brush all that in to my eyebrows to blend it in. And then I take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Rich Tan. I started using this year and I really like it. It blends really well. And so I take my small concealer brush and I blend that under my eyebrows, basically just shaping it into the shape that I want and making sure that I carefully blend it into like under and on top of my eyebrows. I really like this concealer. I started using it this year. A lot of things that I'm using in this video I actually started using this year, like this foundation, Fenty Beauty. I'm actually really excited about this because this is my favorite makeup like item now, really, because it blends with my skin so well. I got it in the shade 450 and I got it online. I was really scared that it was going to be too dark or too light, but it's actually my perfect skin color and I'm really happy with this. And so that's the foundation I'm using. It's in shade 450. And so I just blend that into my skin. I tend to use 2 coats because I want full coverage. So if you want full coverage in Fenty Beauty foundation, you should probably use 2 coats. And then I just blend that in with my beauty blender. And make sure your beauty blender is damp, of course. And then I go in with the same concealer under my eye. I put that under both of my eyes, and then I bring it down under my nose and draw a line on my nose and a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, just to highlight these places for my makeup. And then I take my same damp beauty blender and blend that into my face under my eyes. I also put it on top of my eyelid to be like a primer, like a eyeshadow primer and base for my eyeshadow basically. And then I blend everything in over my nose and my forehead and my chin. As you can see, my face is already like looking highlighted and all that, looking pretty. And so after that, I go with my darker Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Deep. Actually, I feel like this does something, but I really, right now that I'm watching it, I'm not sure if it actually does something, but I'm using this to contour on the sides of my nose and under where I put my like highlighting concealer, and then on my forehead. And so I blend that in again with my beauty blender, and yeah, I don't really see a huge difference now that I'm watching the video, but that's what I've been doing for this year. And then I go with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face, under my eyes, all the places where I put my highlighting concealer, and over my eyelid to set the concealer there for my eyeshadow, and then on my forehead, my chin, and under my nose. And then I go in with my You Had Me at Hello Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette. And my eyeshadow brushes, I go in with Pulling Strings, which is the first shade that I'm using. It's kind of like a brownish shade, and I put that in my crease. I put that over my crease, and then I go in with FBO, which is a purplish shade, and then I put that over like my upper eyebrow, my upper eyelid, like over that bone in your upper eyelid, basically. That's what I use to direct it. And then I just blend both of that in to form like a purplish brownish thing. And then I go in with Winning Ticket, which is the glimmery like eyeshadow I'm putting in right now, and then I put that basically on my eyelid and then in my inner tear duct and in my lower eyelid. And so I just blend all that together, and that's what the look looks like. Very simple and very nude and nice. And then I go with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and then I line my eyes. Guys, this is something that I find really hard, so I do this very carefully. And so I draw my triangle right where my eyebrow stops and my eyelid stops, kind of, if you can understand what I'm saying. And then I draw my triangle, and then I extend it to for it to look like what I want it to look like. And so that worked out that time. I'm really happy about that. And so I go with my Benefit's They're Real mascara, which I really like because it really brings out my eyelashes. I'm still scared of using false eyelashes, so I haven't tried that yet. I will try that sometime, but that's what the eyes look like when I finally finish with my eyes. And then I blend in the setting powder and just dust it off my face with my powder brush. And so I now go in with my e.l.f. bronzer and the e.l.f. brush, and then I just bronze my face like over my cheeks, and yeah, that's where I just put that over a little bit on my forehead and stuff like that. And then now it's time for the lips. I use my brown lip liner to just line my lips. It's just a regular drugstore lip liner that I just grabbed. And then I use my Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Stud to, yeah, paint my lips. And so that's the color I'm using. I really like this color because it's just pink and cute and very simple. And so that is what my lips look like. And now I go in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I spray my face and allow it to dry, you know, get that makeup looking matte and nice and finished. And then I go in with my Bare Minerals highlighter palette, whatever, and then I use Gilded Glow to just put a little bit of highlighter, you know, make my face shine a little bit. And so that's my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I do hair and beauty and lifestyle and fashion and all that. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Peace and strength. Have an amazing day. Bye guys.